Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove end-to-end encryption in your WhatsApp. So let's get started. So if you want to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, so to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your WhatsApp application. After opening up your WhatsApp, now what you can do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now you have to tap on chats, and after tapping on your chats, scroll down and then tap on chat backup. After tapping on chat backup, now you will find this option which is end-to-end encryption backup. So now if it's turned on, what you can do is just turn it off. So mine is already turned off, so I don't have to do that, but if yours is turned on, what you can do is just turn it off, and after turning it off you will successfully turn off your end-to-end encryption and then remove it. So that's it guys, this is how to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.